Grabe nakakalungkot tong video na to. Dumaan to sa FYP ko, and as you can see, may pusang injured. Sinugod kasi siya ng 3 huskies na to. Ang mas nakakalungkot pa, iniwan lang basta yung pusa na injured doon. Hi guys, Doc Ara here. Not all pet owners are animal lovers. If you're an animal lover, whatever shape or form nung hayop na yon, may empathy ka sa mga ganyan. And the fact na hinayaan lang niya yung pusa after malapa ng mga aso niya or ma-attack ng mga aso niya, says a lot about the owner. Responsibility ng owner, i-discipline yung aso niya, i-train, and kung ganito may aggressive tendencies yung aso niya, to muzzle his dogs or busalan. Kasi delikado yan. To be honest, if ganito yung temperament ng mga dogs niya when it comes to small animals, or any small living creatures, delikado, baka mamaya bata pa ma-attack rin niya. Yung nag-video nito, I think siya rin yung nagdala sa vet. Sadly, and very complicated na yung injuries niya, naging subject for euthanasia na yung cat. And the fact that this cat is included sa BGC Cats, ang pangalan daw niya is Ghost. Wala siyang declared owner, pero merong community na nag-aalaga sa mga pusang to. I hope maging accountable yung owner ng mga huskies, and let this be a lesson to all pet owners out there. Whatever man gawin ng pets nila, ang pinaka may responsibilidad doon ay ikaw as a pet owner. Health man nila, mga hospital bills nila, disiplina nila, yung ugali nila, lahat ng yun. Pet owners, be responsible enough sa mga pets nyo. Lalo na kapag ilalabas nyo sila, may makaka-interact ng mga ibang hayop or kaya tao. Let me know your thoughts sa comment section down below. So, if you have other concerns regarding your pets, don't forget guys, to consult your veterinarian.